most important criteria that we must follow in our life. So, how do I scroll through this? It's a touch screen. How do I scroll through this? Okay. So, what I'll be presenting is post-exposure prophylaxis after unprotected intercourse. What happens is, let me take everyone back to 1996. Now, I got a call. उस टाइम अगर सबको याद हो STD booths होते थे, तो I got this message from the STD booth owner कि आपके बड़े dear friend का call आ रहा है शिमला से and he wants to talk to you very urgently. And I was at the peak of my prowess, 1996, 97, heading for my MD exams at DMC. So I sat at the STD booth. Dr. Naveen Mittal was sitting with me next to me. मैं कहा पता नहीं क्या हो गया शिमला में. And my friend called me up. He just had this one message. यार सूद ऐसे है, कल रात को मैंने बहुत दारू पी ली, आज सवेरे मैं उठा हूँ and there's a woman sleeping next to me. What do I do about it? And at the peak of my prowess, 1996-97, I was at a loss to give him an answer कि क्या बोलूँ इसको मैं. तो पहले तो मैंने फट्टे मारे इधर उधर के, जब तूने किया है तो भुगतान कर, फलाना ढमकाना, बड़ा कुछ उसको सुनाया. Then out of the blue I just said, ऐसे कर, प्रोकेन पेनिसिलिन के इंजेक्शन लगा ले. उस समय if everybody remembers 96-97 सिफिलिस के लिए हम PPF देते थे सबको, प्रोकेन पेनिसिलिन. तो इंजेक्शन लगा ले, रोज़ का 1 लगा और 10 इंजेक्शन लगा ले. जाते जाते उसको मैंने गलती से बोल दिया टेट्रासाइक्लिन खाली पेट तू खा ले QID for 10 days. No harm. I don't know what made me say it, but it has worked wonders. So as we go along, I will be introducing everyone what goes on. So as we know, the world is a game of hormones. हमारे दो endocrinologists बैठे हैं, Dr. Rohit and Dr. Naveen Mittal in the auditorium. The world is a game of hormones, and this is the outline of my lecture. Demographic data, HIV PEP, bacterial STIs, doxypep, and take-home message. There are only 14 slides I'll torture you with. Now, what happened was, in 2020, a very, very important news came out in the Times of India on January 6. There's a huge hullabaloo in India, and such a study has not come out ever since. The MOHW woke up one day कि ये क्या टाइप कर दिया, क्या छाप दिया इन्होंने. So, what they pointed out was that an estimated 30 to 35 million episodes of STI RTI occur in India every year, which is a very, very big number. ये हुआ क्या, कैसे हुआ? Everybody was very bothered. And as we see the graph on the right side, though I don't have a cursor with me, on the right side, if you go up towards the upper quadrant, say 12 o'clock से लेके 3 o'clock के बीच में, look at the number 36,326. See the pink line. See the 47,797. See the 46,802. How they are going up, how the STIs are rising, and suddenly there's a decline. What happened was that this had a huge impact on the society, and there was a huge hue and cry. So what was done was a survey was carried out after that by the MOHFW, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, कि हो क्या रहा है. So the discovery was age 25 to 35 we had the maximum STI rate. See the 30% at the second column. Then males were more affected by females, but the difference is only 1%, which was proved to be wrong. ऐसे है, the male genital tract is hanging outside, everything is visible in a flash. Females, everything is internal. It's so difficult to make out what is happening. The next was, it was more in the unmarried as compared to the married, which stands true. That unmarried want to experiment and find out kahani kya hai. Muslims are protected from STIs because the prepuce is not there. The squamous transitional cell epithelium which is present in the prepuce, that is the one which has maximum STI predilection. So Muslims had less of STI compared to the Hindus. The Hindus had the maximum. Christians, as we all know, some are circumcised, some are not. As you know, the Yahudis, the Israelis, they are circumcised. So the Hindus had the maximum STIs, and it was, of course, no doubt the low socioeconomic status people had more, and illiterate were more affected by the STIs. Now, the exposure factor which was seen, look at the part in Asia, Chinese, 108 million people affected by STIs. Look at the Asia factor towards the south, 51 million people. Arab countries being conservative, 34 million. और जहाँ ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ गई ऊपर को, 23 million was the effect rate. So, what to do about all these things? Look at the viral STIs which I have pointed out in the list. These are the STIs, and the deadly ones are HIV, herpes genitalis. That put a tick mark against them. Genital warts, molluscum जब भी होंगे या hepatitis या cytomegalovirus होएगी, हम कर देंगे उसको ठीक. Look at monkeypox, which has come in now as a new STI. On the right, I have pointed out a lesion of monkeypox, a vesicular lesion with erythema surrounding it, जैसे हमारे herpes zoster के lesions होते हैं. Something like that is what monkeypox lesions are present. Now, what is the post-exposure prophylaxis which is advised for HIV? Lamivudine, tenofovir. Go in for it immediately. देखो जो HIV है, we have only 72 hours to prevent it. 72 घंटे का टाइम है हमारे पास. अगर 72 घंटे में 3 days के अंदर we have not taken action, it's a very very serious problem, a lifelong problem. Immediately intervene when there's an unwanted exposure. ऐसे है एक कंसेप्ट जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है STIs में, विच आई टीच माई स्टूडेंट्स इज एक ही काफ़ी, बाकी से माफ़ी. बी वेरी केयरफुल, दिस इज़ नॉट अ गेम, दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी डेंजरस गेम. नाउ what is to be done? पिन प्रिक एक्सपोजर हो जाए या अनवांटेड एक्सपोजर हो जाए, सडनली इट हैपेंड वन फाइन डे, लैमिवुडीन एंड टिनोफोवीर आर द 2 drugs विच आर टू बी गिवन. जो बाहरली कंट्रीज़ में है उनमें ट्रू वाडा के नाम से आती है मेडिसिन. जो इंडिया है हमारे यहाँ HIV जो ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं, वी गिव लैमिवुडीन, टिनोफोवीर एंड डोलोटेग्रावीर. तो जो आपने करना है, यू हैव टू एडवाइज द पर्सन आफ्टर पिन प्रिक आफ्टर अनवांटेड एक्सपोजर कि जो आपकी HIV की टैबलेट है, टेक इट फॉर 28 days. दैट इज द कंसेप्ट विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. The bacterial STIs. Now I want everyone to focus on the left hand side, the list of bacterial STIs and the incubation period. The incubation period जो I के नीचे है, 1 day, 3 days, 3 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days. This is the time period that we have for preventing the STI from happening. Sexually transmitted infection जो है उसको हमने इतने टाइम के अंदर रोकना है. Look at 12 o'clock position. You see a patient with gonorrhea. He has frank purulent discharge. Look at the patient at 1 o'clock position. Chancroid. Hemophilus ducrei के कारण kissing ulcers हुए पड़े हुए हैं. Very painful condition. The genitals are very very sensitive. और इसमें अगर कुछ हो जाए, it is very painful. Patient literally राड़ियाँ मारता हुआ आता है, चीखे मारता हुआ आता है. But look, it can be prevented. सो कमिंग बैक टू जो मैंने आई के नीचे लिस्ट किया हुआ था इंक्यूबेशन, इनके पहले पार्ट पे चलो. 24 घंटे, 72 घंटे, 168 घंटे, वी आर लिटरली टॉकिंग इन आवर्स. वी हैव टू प्रिवेंट दीज STIs फ्रॉम हैपनिंग. तो जो मेरा फ्रेंड था जिसने कॉल किया था, आई डोंट नो हाउ ही सेव्ड हिज लाइफ. ही इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेटफुल टू मी. द थिंग इज, व्हाट मेडिसिन इज टू बी गिवन कि ये होए ही ना ही होए ये STIs. Doxypep, doxycycline is the wonder drug. It is the secret weapon of the physician. जो उठता है फिजिशियन डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन दे देता है, चाहे रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे STIs है, चाहे RTIs हैं. डॉक्सीपेप इज द सीक्रेट. इट डज वंडर्स. डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन, अभी मेरे पास कोई पेशेंट आते हैं OPD में, चाहे उनको जेनिटल वॉर्ट्स हैं, चाहे उनको मोलस्कम कंटेजियोजम है, सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड, आई स्ट्रेट अवे स्टार्ट देम ऑन डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन 100 milligrams 2 times a day. बट द ट्रिक इज खाली पेट देनी है. इफ यू हैव इट आफ्टर फूड, इट हैज़ नो वैल्यू. सो 1 hour बिफोर ब्रेकफास्ट, 1 hour बिफोर डिनर, This is the medicine that will work wonders for you. The main effect of doxycycline, of course, is it's a 30S ribosome inhibitor. But one thing which is not taught about doxycycline is it prevents neutrophil chemotaxis. जो neutrophil chemotaxis का जो prevention factor है, that protects you from many things. What a drug doxycycline is. Must give it for any patient of sexually transmitted infections. 200 milligrams is a dose as recommended by CDC. एक ही टैबलेट देनी है 72 घंटे, ये 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर. वैसे 72 hours they say, but they say that the effect of doxycycline is very major and very important if given within 24 hours. Now, this is the treatment which is listed out by CDC, by WHO and by our NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. ये सारी treatments list out किए हैं. It's a huge list. I'm sorry that the slide is very cluttered. It should not be that way. But मैंने जानबूझ के इसको clutter किया हुआ slide को दिखाने के लिए. See, gonorrhea, cefixime treatment of choice as per India. India really needs to upgrade its STI guidelines. India का काफ़ी जो last STI guideline था वो 2014 में था. They really need to buck up. I hope they upgrade this year, 10 years down the line. Chancroid का azithromycin. But एक चीज़ जो मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ, look at doxycycline, look at the red ticks which are there. Doxycycline, gonorrhea. Azithromycin is the only one जो chancroid में missing है, but it has been proven that it is effective in chancroid. Lymphogranuloma venereum, look at doxycycline again. NGU, again doxycycline. Donovanosis, doxycycline. Syphilis, doxycycline. Watch where all doxycycline is going. So, pelvic inflammatory disease, again doxycycline. Bacterial vaginosis, watch the blue arrows, metronidazole. This I'll be deliberately taking up later. जब मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट करूँगा कि क्या करना चाहिए. Not scientifically documented, but if there is someone involved जो हमारा बड़ा dear friend है, उसको क्या करना है, कैसे prevent करना है. Cervicitis, again doxycycline. So take home message, we have to protect the people from HIV. We have to protect our patients from STIs which are bacterial. Lamivudine plus tenofovir for 28 days. But हमारे यहाँ जो tablet मिलती है standard India में, उसको 28 दिन के लिए दे दो. See, there can be a unwanted exposure, there can be a wanted exposure. किसी के साथ suddenly हो गया problem. This is number one. HIV 72 hours का thinking time देती है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. 3 दिन, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Doxycycline within 24 hours, 200 milligrams single dose. I personally recommend doxycycline hyclate का injection. एक इंजेक्शन 100 मिलीग्राम का है, एक सवेरे लगाओ, एक शाम को लगाओ, and hope for the best. The future research which I recommend is, and which is only between me and the people who are sitting here listening patiently to me, give acyclovir 400 milligrams 3 times a day for 7 days. हमने herpes genitalis को होने ही नहीं देना. इसको होने ही देना herpes genitalis को कि सारी जिंदगी recurrent herpes होती रहे. Metronidazole, cervicitis, pelvic inflammatory disease, non-gonococcal urethritis, सबको cover करो by giving 400 milligrams 3 times a day. Fluconazole, 150 milligrams once a week for 6 weeks. Candidiasis, fungal infections which are sexually transmitted, prevent it. Azithromycin, single dose ज़रूर रात को दे दो. Again, empty stomach. It has value only given on empty stomach. Cefixime भी दे दो, चलो कुछ नहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करेगी. And doxycycline, the red mark, which is recommended 2 times a day for 21 days. LGV, lymphogranuloma venereum, is a devastating disease. एक बार हो जाए बेड़ा गर्क करके जाती है. Prevent it by giving it for 21 days. अब इतना सारा मैंने सुना दिया. तो is this the future? ये जो कॉकटेल है, सारे परांठे में गूंद के ही खा लें हम इसको, सारी दवाइयाँ सारी मिक्स करके परांठे में ही खा लेते हैं. Give all these medicines, prevent any STI from happening. Can STIs be prevented? Yes. Can STIs be eliminated? No. The world is a game of hormones, as my endocrinologist friends will tell us. No. Can STIs be eradicated? That is impossible. Until the world survives, they can never be eradicated. So STI medical cocktail, I have told you the after component since I was given 15 minutes. मैंने वैसे तैयार किया था pre and post exposure, but this is the after part. So these are my references. CDC, WHO and NACO guidelines. NACO really needs to step up. And thank you very much for patient listening. I'm open for questions if there are any.